Alright, what's up guys? Good morning. We're here another day at the shop. Just working on the intercooler piping. Just trying to lay out the pipe roughly how it's gonna sit. Just mock it up quickly, prep it. I'm gonna just tape it up temporarily just so I could get a simple like layout of what I want to set up. So that way everything's prepped and ready to go for when the fab guy comes in. So you can just come in and just start welding. So let me show you what I got so far. Alright, so far, intercooler is in, tied it down. How to take off the stock. Tow hooks. Usually sit right there. You can see them outlined right there. And I just threw on a sparkle strap just in case I need towing. I only have it on one side so far. I'll just have to get another one for the other side, so I'll have it on both sides. And have a rough idea of what I want. This pipe is going to become a hard pipe because I want to place my HKS ball valve right here. The other side I haven't done anything yet. Yeah. So one of the biggest issues I'm having right now is getting the radiator set up. I ended up buying a 3-row radiator, just a cheap one online. And honestly, I don't think it's going to work for what I want. And with the tight space that I have, I want to have a good setup that'll keep my engine cool. I want to be able to have that peace of mind to know that the engine's not going to overheat when I'm driving it, going up hills, probably the canyons. But what I think I'm gonna have to do is just upgrade. I was trying to go with the 3-row radiator with CTS fans, but the fans are too thick, the radiator's too thick, so it hits up against the pulleys. So I'm just gonna have to figure out another setup for that. But for now, I'm gonna keep going with the intercooler piping, get that all routed and pretty much set, so that way the fab guy just comes in, tacks it up, welds it down, and we have everything set and ready to go. So the intercooler piping I bought was an Amazon kit. Now the piping is okay, it should be good enough, but it is a universal kit. So I'm gonna start prepping it. And just taping it together and kind of get an idea and the layout for it, so that way I can have everything pretty much ready to go to get welded. I kind of underestimated these pipes. It seems like they're coated with some powder coating. So I was going at it with the flapper disc or wheel, whatever you want to call that, and it's staying on pretty good. And due to the notching, I can't get into those little grooves. So I'm gonna look for a wire wheel and just go at it with that and see how that turns out. Just using clear tape for now. And right there, I need a little bit of pipe to unite those. I need a little bit of pipe right there to put them together. So I have this piece right here. I'm just gonna take the straight piece off and cut it, slip it in, and I should have enough to be able to put those together. This was a very bad cut. And then again, I was cutting it by hand. Just grind it out, line it up. We should be good. Originally the plan was to run it under here, but I kind of didn't like that. That was the lowest point, so I didn't want it to bottom out on the intercooler piping. So what I'm thinking about doing, running it through here, probably just cutting up a piece right here, just so the pipe could run through. It goes straight through here where I just cut this plastic and it goes straight through. Actually, I'll take that back. I don't want to cut, so I'm gonna just slide it through right here. Cut the fender right there on that piece. It'll come out straight right here. Get a 90 going up. And I think that should be it. So we got these set up. This side is pretty much set. Just dinged it up here a bit, but it's gonna get welded, so it's not an issue. And once I have that set up, it's just gonna come straight up, a little bend, go in. So now I gotta move on to that side. Alright, pretty much both sides are done. Just need a little piece to fill that spot right there. And up here it's routed. And we're pretty much set with the intercooler piping for today. Intercooler piping is already done, it's already in the trunk. This one is over here, pretty much set. Just needs to cut a piece that'll fill up this gap, get welded, have the blow up valve here, and dude, we're set. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a fabricator myself, but I get away with prepping stuff as much as I can, and then once the actual fabricator gets here, then he'll be able to knock out the rest. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what we have for today. So, you know, stay safe, guys. You know, guys, stay safe. Stay inside. You know, if you guys go out, wear your mask. You know, just try to be safe and help flatten the curve. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the content. Stay tuned for more to come. Hopefully we get this car done as soon as possible, so we can at least have it running and get as much going with it, you know. And hopefully this whole quarantine and COVID situation calms down to the point where we could go back to, you know, at least somewhat of a normal life. We could at least have cruises again, you know, take this car out for a drive. But yeah, guys, stay safe, take care. See you guys on the next one.